Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, go to create and select polygon. Click here in the midpoint, press tab and table in the keyboard. The quantity here is 8 sides, okay, the polygon. Let's make 3 polygons here. Okay, go to constraints, horizontal, vertical. Click in this line here, click in this point here and the midpoint. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The distance here between these 2 points is 120 millimeters. The distance between these 2 points here is 60 millimeters. And the distance between these 2 lines here is 5 millimeters. Now select line, click in this point, make a triangle here, okay. Go to create, select circular pattern, select these 2 lines here. The center point is the midpoint. The quantity here is 8, press OK. We have this sketch, finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select this profile here, only this part, okay. Extrude this 55 millimeters and press OK. Now go to Extrude again, show the sketch one, show the origin tool. We need to select this triangle that this point here is coincident with the plane, okay. Extrude this 55 millimeters. Operation here, new body, press OK. Hide the sketch one. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane here. Go to create, select the project, include project. The selection filter body, select these 2 body here, press OK. We can hide both now. Select the line, click in this point, make a line here. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between this point and this point is 30 millimeters. Okay, finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, show the body here. The direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here, 30 millimeters. Press OK. Now go to create, select pattern, circular pattern. The object type is body. The object is this body here. And the axis, the blue axis here. Quantity 8. Press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to create, select this face here. Go to create here again, project include, project. The selection filter, body, select this body here and press OK. Finish the sketch. Go to create, select loft. Show the sketch one. Select one triangle here, okay. And select the point here, okay. And press OK. Hide the sketch one. We have this, okay. Let me hide the origin. Now go to create, pattern, circular pattern. The object type, body, or feature, sorry. The object, loft here. And the axis, this axis here, quantity 8, press OK. We have this. Now we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and bye bye.